The planet's most pressing challenges include climate change, waste management, water scarcity, and ecological loss. These issues are complex and interconnected, affecting ecosystems and human livelihoods worldwide. Addressing them requires more than just good intentions. They require rigorous science and data-driven solutions. That is where ICWMR steps in. Our work begins at the roots, building a foundation for resilient ecosystems, informed policies, and lasting impact. Helping industries understand and manage their water footprint is a way we drive sustainable decision-making. We estimate the water footprint of manufacturing units using impact-adjusted methodologies, going beyond volume to capture the true environmental cost of every liter consumed. Built on rigorous data inventories, our assessments directly support water credit frameworks and trade policy, transforming water conservation into measurable environmental and economic value. Beyond measuring water consumption lies an even greater responsibility: restoring the natural systems that sustain this vital resource. From scientifically assessing degraded water bodies and identifying rejuvenation interventions to conducting extensive field surveys and advanced geospatial analysis, we bring rigorous methodology and ground-level precision to every water restoration challenge. We translate our findings into actionable rejuvenation strategies, giving communities and decision makers a clear roadmap to restore what has been lost. Decentralized organic waste management systems are vital to a circular economy, but understanding their climate benefits requires a scientific approach. We comprehensively estimate greenhouse gas emissions by accounting for emissions generated, emissions avoided, and biogenic CO2 through environmental impact analysis, supported by greenhouse gas accounting and life cycle assessment (LCA) methodologies to evaluate impacts across the entire supply chain. Our assessments are powered by a custom Excel-based toolkit developed through rigorous mathematical modeling, delivering reliable, science-backed insights for informed decision-making on a real-time basis. And when regulations demand proof, we make sure the numbers stand up to scrutiny. We conduct comprehensive waste and water audits designed for BRSR compliance, defining clear system boundaries and monitoring material and water flows across operations. By tracking every input, output, and loss, we help organizations strengthen compliance while embedding sustainable practices into everyday operations through structured standard operating procedures (SOPs). By understanding how nature captures carbon deep within forests, soil, and living ecosystems, we quantify carbon precisely and non-destructively across above-ground biomass, below-ground biomass, and soil organic carbon pools. Beyond the numbers, we evaluate the health of plantations and ecosystems to ensure they continue delivering the essential ecosystem services that support climate resilience. Every successful project begins with understanding its surroundings. We conduct comprehensive social and environmental baseline studies for pre-processing and manufacturing sites, combining field investigations, stakeholder engagement, and scientific assessments to establish a reliable foundation for sustainable planning, impact assessment, and informed decision-making. And when waste management systems need to be evaluated, we step in with independent expertise. We assess operations across the entire waste management value chain, from collection and transportation to processing, treatment, and final disposal. Through systematic field assessments, compliance verification, and performance monitoring, we identify operational gaps, evaluate system efficiency, and deliver evidence based insights that support informed decision making and continuous improvement. When organizations invest in communities through CSR, we ensure every investment creates measurable value. Our impact assessments span three key dimensions: social, economic, and environmental, through environmental impact assessment and socio-economic impact assessment. We integrate stakeholder mapping, community surveys, social return on investment, and advanced statistical modeling to measure, evaluate, and communicate the true impact of every initiative through evidence-based insights. Across carbon, water, waste, and ecosystems, ICWMR transforms complex environmental challenges into actionable intelligence. Through science, data, and field expertise, we empower governments, industries, and communities to make informed decisions that create measurable, sustainable impact for today and for generations to come.